Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your Fifth Third Bank online banking account on your phone device. Fifth Third is a regional bank offering banking services and wealth management. So to log in, make sure you open your preferred browser. Now at the search bar, you can simply search 53.com. This will lead you to the official page of Fifth Third Bank account. Now at the top right corner, you can see the option login. You can tap there. Here at the first, you can see the banking options. There are two types of options, online banking or commercial banking. We will go for the online banking one. Now write down your credential, which is your user ID. Likewise, you need to write down your password. Now in case if you have forgotten your login credential, you can simply tap on forgot login. After you tap on forget login, you will be led to this page where they will be needing your information to help you recover your account. At the first, you need to write down your last name. Likewise, you need to write down your social security number. Likewise, the zip code and your account or card number. After you have provided your information, you can simply tap on next and you will be guided to the next step to get your account back. Now in case if your credential is ready, you can simply tap on login and you will be successfully logged into your Fifth Third banking account in your mobile device. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.